All right, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is JD on 3, and if you don't know, now you know. And as you see, I've got a hell of a box. So let's go ahead and let's get this bad boy opened up. All right, I had to get some more light up in here, but as you guys can see from Sling Mods, and this is one hell of a box, a huge box, oversized box. I'm ready to tear into this thing and really see what's inside. So let's go ahead and let's open her up. All right, guys, so as you can see, what comes in the box and what I ordered was that new Black Panther, that Panther Customs front fascia and hood. And I've been kind of back and forth with it just because of the cost of it. The cost is a bit high, but it's definitely something that I wanted, something different. It's something that you don't see every day on the road compared to the front fascia that comes stock with it. I really like this one and I thought it was cool. So I figured I'd try it, I'd suck it up and I'd spend the money, and I get it. And I did get it, and I am liking it. So what comes in the box, you do get this nice pamphlet. Of course, you get your Sling Mods decal or sticker. And in this pamphlet, you get a nice list of all the show chrome items and things like that. Very cool. So definitely something to keep in mind for that. So again, let's get back to this front fascia. So there's a couple of things that I guess I want to touch on with this front fascia. As far as the looks of the fascia and the hood, they're very nice, very sporty, very cool looking. So let's start with the hood. The hood does come with, there we go. It does come with this new emblem, this Panther Customs emblem, which is really cool. You can opt to get the rear emblem. I think it was an extra $14. I didn't get it. I actually wasn't expecting to get the front one, but hey, there it is. So I appreciate that. So that's really, really cool. You get a nice, sporty, I can set it up a little bit. So you do get this nice, sporty look, nice cutouts, nice vents. Just a very cool, looks like a nice Ram air hood. It looks really cool. It's gonna look really nice on the Ryker. And then getting to the look of the front fascia, what I really like about this fascia, it does have a nice sporty and aggressive look. So the side paneling with the vents on the side looks really cool. But what I really like is this grille. This is a really nice grill. So I'm really feeling that. I think that's a really cool touch with this, and what makes it really sporty is that grill and these nice side vents, all the lines. It looks really cool. So as far as the build for these, I would say the build is at least comparable, if not a little bit better than what you already get from the factory. It's still that plastic. It looks, the color of the plastic is the same as your stock Ryker color, so it should match seamlessly, I believe. It's nice quality, nice thick quality. You shouldn't have any problems with quality in that area. It's very well made. So what's the price for this? So for this front fascia and the hood, they come together. It's $3.99 off the Sling Mods website, which is where I ordered it, obviously. So it's $3.99 plus your tax. And then when they ship it, it's also a $50 oversized packaging thing. So it's like $50 for that. So in total, it came out to be $484. So still a little expensive, but they do have it on sale. And the final question, and one of the most important questions, is what is the install like? And it should install completely like how your stock front fascia and hood install. They have the same connection pieces. They have all the same connection pieces as your stock. Oh, here we go. You have some holes down here. So it's all the same type of connection. So you shouldn't have any problems with connecting to your factory equipment. All right, you guys, so that's going to be it for this unboxing. If you had any questions, please comment them below so I can answer those questions. I think I covered everything about it. There's not a whole lot to go over, but those are the basics and some of the biggest questions about this product. So you guys stay tuned for the install. That'll be on a later video. But for now, you guys make sure you like, share, subscribe. Ryker fam, you already know what to do. And as always, it's an official JD's production.